Welcome to the channel, everyone. Today we're going to be taking the V-Rod out, getting it cleaned up, and the fuel changed. It's been sitting for about the last 3 years, so that's why I really want to get the fuel changed out. I think I'm going to do it the old-fashioned way and just siphon it. But before we get started there, I'm going to have to make a run to town, get some fresh gas and a few supplies. And after that, we'll come back and get started on it. Alright, I think I have everything we need to get this project done. So I went to the store, got some hose, about 3 foot. That way I can stuff it down into the gas tank, put the other end down into an empty gas can that I have. So, got the hose. The other thing, there's 3 holes. Let's see if you can see them. Right there. The plan is to plug 2 of them and create a seal and an air compressor to just blow air in to see if it will siphon out that way. If that doesn't work, I guess we'll do it the really old way. Alright, so as you can see, I got some duct tape sealing the 2 holes. Got the one open so that I can pressurize the tank with the compressor. And I used some double-sided tape to hopefully create a seal with the larger opening. And we'll see how this goes. Alright, so it looks like we got the most of the fuel out. Say, probably have about 2 gallons. I maybe had 2.5 gallons in there. So I'm going to get some fresh fuel dumped in there and get this thing started up. As you can see, it is pretty dirty, so we're going to fix that. Alright, we're all done washing it up. Not the best I've ever done, but perfect wasn't what I was going for today. Looks much better. Alright, so now I think the next step is to get the oil changed before we actually go for a cruise. Make sure all the other fluids are good. And guess I'll see you guys in a little bit again. Well guys, unfortunately my battery died about a quarter of the way through the oil change, and I decided it really wasn't worth saving, but I got the oil changed, put air in the tires, checked the brake fluid, coolant fluid, everything's good, so let's get on the bike and go for a ride. Well, we made it back home. Not a very long ride, but it was a good one. Bike's running good. So, alrighty guys, I will catch you on the next one.